Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extruded Boss base, full round fillet, Extruded Cut, and mirror. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this line. And the first thing that we make, we'll create these three lines, this one here, and this one. This line here has 8 millimeters. This line here has 8 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. The distance between the center here and this point plus 30 millimeters. The distance between this point here and this tangent point here, the radius here, okay? So open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch, and select the right plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make 3 lines here, okay, and go to Sketch Dimension. This line here has 8 millimeters, this one has 8 millimeters, and the distance between this point and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this line here with 16 millimeters and create this line and this one with 12 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here. Go to Smart Dimension, the distance here is 16, this line here has 12, and select this point here, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select this point and add relation vertical and press OK. And now we will create a line here with 8 millimeters and another line here. We'll make a half and we use the mirror later to create the other side, okay? So select line, make 2 lines here. We made this profile. And now go to features and go to Extruded Boss base. We need to extrude this and the distance will be 60 millimeters. So the direction, select the mid plane and the distance here 60 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create the fillet here. We have a full round fillet here. So go to fillet and the type here, select this one, full round fillet, okay? And the A face, select this one, center face, and the B face here, and press OK. We made this full round fillet. And now we will create this hole. We have a hole here through all this body with 17 millimeters of diameter. So go to Sketch and select this face, select circle. Put the mouse here to find the center of this arc because this hole is concentric with this arc. And go to Smart Dimension. The diameter here is 17 millimeters and press OK. And now go to Features and select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select it through all and press OK. We made this cut here. And now to create the other side, go to Mirror. And the mirror face, select this face here. And here active the bodies to mirror, and here select this body and press OK. We made this one, and here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.